Serverless vs containers in 2026. Let's settle this. Lambda wins for ARPAS and event-driven work. Zero server management. Auto-scaling. Pay per invocation. Containers win for long-running, stateful workloads. GPU workloads like ML inference and video processing. Containers. Cold starts. Under 1 second with provisioned concurrency. Containers win on predictable pricing at scale. Lambda pricing is great for spiky traffic but expensive at constant load. Container pricing gives you flat rates and predictable bills. The real answer? Use both. API gateway to Lambda for request response endpoints. ECS or Kubernetes for background workers and services. Event Bridge connects everything together. Don't pick sides. Pick the right tool for each job. Check out the Nest.js data. Link in the description.